In today's video, I'm going to be using Open Broadcaster software to do a local network stream. Similar to live streaming, except instead of streaming to Facebook, Twitch or YouTube, I'm merely streaming to another device on my network. I'll be using two computers. One will actually run the stream, while the second computer is merely tuning into the stream, but the commonality is that both is using OBS and the OBS NDI plugin. By the end of today's video, the OBS canvas on this laptop should be able to be seen on this laptop wirelessly over the network. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to make sure they're both connected on the same network and the network profile is both set to private, which is the case on both of them here. Next, we need to go ahead and install OBS on both of them. Next up, we want to download the NDI plugin on both machines. So that will be the Windows x64 installer. And we also need to download the NDI runtime. If you launch OBS now, it will actually give you an error and direct you to download NDI runtime. But to just prevent that from happening, we can just go onto the GitHub, the OBS NDI plugin repo, and go down to installation, a wiki, and yeah, download installers on both machines, and it's done. Now we can go and launch OBS. And it's going to ask for like whether you want to allow it to communicate on the network, and yes, I'm going to allow access. This is so if you don't allow, NDI will not work. And as I'm only launching OBS for the first time, it's giving me an auto configuration wizard, which I will now ignore. Okay, so this laptop is going to output an NDI feed to this laptop. It's going to receive the NDI output from here as a NDI source. I'm just going to go ahead and do a video capture device. And because I want my NDI to be only 720p to not wreck the bandwidth of the network, I'm just making sure that the output scale resolution set in OBS is 1280 by 720. Now I can go to NDI output settings and I'm going to change this to left laptop. Okay, I can go on this laptop and just go ahead and go NDI source. Okay, and well, it has not picked up this laptop. It should be dropped down here. This is a common issue, and basically the resolution of this is just restart both laptops. After restarting the laptops, I relaunch OBS, make sure that my left laptop over here has the NDI output configured, and then on the right laptop I'm going to add an NDI source, and the left laptop now appears in the drop down, and I select the left laptop from the drop down. And as you can see, it has now the webcam from here. If I brought the webcam here, you see that is also shown here. This webcam here is not in use. The right laptop's webcam is not in use. As you can see, there is a bit of jutter and delay intermittently. If I just go ahead and full screen this to show you. It's just Wi-Fi. So as you can see, it's not perfect. There will be some intermittent lag. And this intermittent lag can be removed if you connect these two systems via Ethernet and get rid of the Wi-Fi from the equation. But the good thing is, as you can see, latency is very low. My hand is up here and very soon it's up here. So as a proof note, the laptops are not connected to each other. This is via the OBS NDI plugin. And basically this a good use case of this technology, this software, is if you are in a large venue and you want to perhaps broadcast a stage onto multiple screens around the building, you can use this. This laptop can be connected to a camera, which is a view of the stage, and this can be in a different room, in the back room perhaps, and this has an NDI output, and then have it here on this right laptop in the back room as received the NDI output as an NDI source.